Hello everyone, welcome back. So let us write a smart parking gate control problem. Okay, let us assume that there is a busy city mall. There are multiple cars which would be mapping as processes arriving at the entry gate. However, the parking system allows only one car to enter at a time to avoid collisions and ensure proper ticket generation. So each car must request entry, wait if the gate is busy, enter the parking area, exit and allow next car. So can we design a solution using semaphore so as to ensure that mutual exclusion at the gate, no race conditions and fair access to all cars. So imagine Phoenix Mall in Pune on a Sunday evening. Hundreds of cars are waiting, but the gate, only one car can pass at the time. What if two cars try to enter together? Crash, correct? Chaos, system failure. So we need a gate controller, and that controller is a semaphore. So let us map the concept. The cars we are talking about are the process in OS. Entry gate would be the critical section. Gate controller would be semaphore, and waiting line would be block processes. So let us write the code. So we'll include header files hash include std.h std lib.h uni std.h sys/wait.h, then sys/mman.h, correct? Then semaphore hash include semaphore.h. Fine. So we got the header files. Now let us go back and write the code. So we have to create a shared semaphore for the gate control. So integer main. Let us create the structure semaphore t, this shared memory. Okay, using mmap. Again, we'll use same parameters that we used earlier too. So null size of same underscore t, then protection read, protection write, map shared, map anonymous, then -1 and 0. Correct. So this is for shared. This is shared semaphore for gate control. Now let us initialize the semaphore. So same init. So we'll write the semaphore variable get initial value to be 1, value to be 1. Correct. Then for I equal to 0, I less than, let us say 10. We'll take 5 because we are having multiple printfs. So that's why. So as to see the output on one screen. And I plus plus. So we'll assume that there are 5 cars. If fork equal to 0, correct. Then what we have to do is we have to printf car with car %d. We'll use the PID here is waiting at the gate. Correct. /n. Then we will use get PID here. Correct. Then wait signal same underscore wait operation with the parameter requesting entry. Now suppose that car gets entry. Car percent D is entered in the parking gate. Correct. Now we'll ask it to simulate the operation. So that's why we'll have sleep for 2 minutes. Then again printf car percent D exited from the gate. Correct. Again gate PID. Now this is done. Now we have to release the gate. So this is signal. Same post gate. Correct. And then exit 0 bracket bracket. So now parent should wait for these processes. That's why we'll write wait null for all processes. And then just we have to destroy same semaphore. Get and then return 0 bracket complete. So if you see, since our calls are separate processes, they cannot see each other's memory. So we create shared gate using mmap. So this was a shared gate that we created. Right? This becomes central control point. So gate is initialized to value 1, correct? With this, meaning only one car pass at a time. So car arrival, that means fork. Correct. Each fork, one car arriving at the gate. So same wait means what? Car is asking, is gate free? If yes, enter. If no, wait in queue. Then critical section. This is a gate crossing zone. Correct. When we say entered, only one car allowed here, others are blocked. And then uh, critical section done. Then same post. That means after crossing, car signals next car can come. Means once it's parking it done. So here, semaphore ensures mutual exclusion, prevents race condition at gate, and demonstrate process information using fork. And this is how the real parking scenario can be seen. So let us check the code and execute this. So this is to be written as integer I. So we are done. So execute. 740567898. 8 waiting, then 5, 6, 6 executed, 7 entered, exited, 9 entered, exited, and then 8 entered and exited. So you can see this. Again, let us execute 16, 19, 18, 20, 17. See the order even. Like this is how this is not just parking. You can definitely see that with OS. OS manages printer access, file writing, database transactions everywhere. Only one is allowed. Correct. So this analogy can be mapped there too. Semaphore is used here to ensure mutual exclusion at the parking gate, preventing simultaneous access by multiple processes and avoiding the race condition. So this is how it works. So you can execute one more time to see this semaphore. So the code perspective, whichever is entering until unless it exits, no other process allowed to enter. Correct. So this is how the code works. Thank you.